Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about identifying the constant rate of change in a table. So let's go ahead and get started. Our learning target is I can find the constant rate of change in a table, and the TEK is 7.4. Different ways to represent the constant rate of change. Sometimes they label it as an M, rate of change in y over the change in x. And these symbols, these triangle symbols, mean the same thing for change and vertical change over horizontal change. So those are all ways to represent the constant rate of change. Let's take a look at an example of a table. Here is a table, and there are 4 steps. Step 1, it wants you to find the change in y by looking at the right side of the table and subtracting the y values. Okay, so let's start with 3 and 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And since it's increasing from 3 to 8, it is a positive 5. So we're going to type positive 5. Now, if I continue, 8 plus 5 is also 13. So positive 5. We're going to put in there. And 13 plus 5 is also 18. So therefore, positive 5. So our change in y is a positive 5. So I'm going to come over here and put in the positive 5. Okay, in fact, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to center it on the page. Okay, nice. Okay, so then we're going to move into step 2. Step 2 says, on a table, find the change in x by looking at the left side of the table and subtracting the x values. Okay, so it is also increasing, so it will be a positive from 8 to 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. All right, and since it's positive, we're going to put positive 8. Okay, 16 plus 8 is also 24. So we're going to put in positive 8. And 24 plus 8 is going to be 32. So we're going to put positive 8 in there as well. Oops, that didn't work out. Let's try again. Positive 8. So our change in x is a positive 8. So I'm going to come down here and put in a positive 8. I'm also going to go back and recenter our box. Okay, so currently our change in y is 5 and our change in x is 8. And if we look to see if we can simplify it, because that would be step 4, is to simplify. And since 5 is a prime number and 5 is not a factor of 8, we know that our answer is already in simplest form. So our answer is 5/8. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and center that and circle it so that we are good to go. All right, so our constant rate of change is 5/8. Okay, guys, y'all have a great day.